Nambalo, Rupam. Well, my friends, this small child, aged about 2 years, has been suffering from cirrhosis of liver. Cirrhosis of liver, liver fibrosis. So, this is a very grave condition, a very critical condition. This small child is suffering from cirrhosis of liver. Transferred from the hospital, modern medicinal hospital. হসপিটালে কি বলেছিল? লিভার ট্রান্সপ্লান্টেশন ছাড়া কোনো রাস্তা নেই। লিভার ট্রান্সপ্লান্টেশন ছাড়া কোনো রাস্তা নেই। এই বাচ্চার বাঁচানো মুশকিল হয়ে যাবে। ভালো আছে, হোমিওপ্যাথিক চিকিৎসায় ভালো আছে। এখনো পর্যন্ত বহুদিন হয়ে গেল, প্রায় 2023 নভেম্বর থেকে দেখছি। 20 নভেম্বর ফার্স্ট রূপম মণ্ডল। পেশেন্ট ইজ ইম্প্রুভড এ লট, জেনারেল হেলথ ইজ নট রুইন্ড। ভালো আছো? ভালো আছে সব দিক দিয়ে, বলো ভালো আছি। সো দিস ইজ দ্য সাকসেস অ্যান্ড বিউটি অফ হোমিওপ্যাথ। This is the success of homeopath. So it is due to hepatitis, generally due to chronic hepatitis. You know, hepatitis are of two types: acute hepatitis and chronic hepatitis. And the cirrhosis of liver, fibrosis of liver are the result of hepatitis. What is hepatitis? Now, the chronic persistent hepatitis may follow viral hepatitis or may be due to some modern medicine or drugs. It is not serious and does not progress to cirrhosis. Patients have mild fever with mild liver enlargement. Generally, no treatment is required except the avoidance of alcohol or incriminating drugs. Alcohol is the factors of adults. The daily consumption of alcohol in some adults needed to produce liver disease, which varies between individuals, but women are much more susceptible to alcoholic liver disease, alcoholic liver damage than men. The upper safe limit for men is about 60 milliliter and is 30 to 40 milliliter for women. One alcoholic drink contains about 8 grams of unit. Alcohol is metabolized by enzyme in the liver. The excess alcohol leads to the formation of acetaldehyde and severe upset in fat metabolism. So, acetaldehyde causes disturbance in the fat metabolism. So, as a result, the serum triglyceride levels rise and alcohol-induced fatty liver develops. A fatty liver has no symptoms and is reversible when drinking is stopped. The next and more serious effect of alcohol is alcoholic hepatitis. When injured the liver cells die and the liver becomes acutely inflamed. A patient with alcoholic hepatitis who continues to drink may go on to develop cirrhosis. This is not a cirrhosis of liver due to alcohol, but by the by, I am telling about the alcoholic cirrhosis. So, the most serious effect of alcohol is alcoholic hepatitis. it go on to develop cirrhosis, but the whole structure of the liver becomes disorganized and some nodules develop. Ultimately, liver cells goes to the hepatoma, that is the precursors of carcinoma of liver, and ultimately liver cancer develops. So patients with alcoholic liver disease may have only mild symptoms such as anorexia, morning retching and diarrhea accompanied by large liver. In acute alcoholic hepatitis, develops often following a binge. They can quickly become very ill with fever, jaundice, abdominal pain, and a large tender liver. They may also have signs of hepatic encephalopathy, and the blood film of such patients typically shows large blood vessels, large blood cells, plentiful neutrophils, etc. I am not going that side. Now, this is non-alcoholic hepatitis. This is non-alcoholic cirrhosis of the liver. তুমি alcohol খাও? So, non-alcoholic hepatitis. So, it is also more serious because it may progress hepatitis chronic following chronic liver damage, liver cell damage. The liver becomes inflamed, fibrous septa develop, and liver cell die. Causes of chronic active hepatitis including cirrhosis of the cells. Now this cirrhosis follows whenever masses of liver cells die. The architecture of the liver is upset, and any regrowth of the liver cells causes fibrosis and nodules to develop. Cirrhosis often follows on from chronic active hepatitis, and so the causes are similar. The commonest are viral hepatitis and alcoholism, as I already been said. Now, according to medical science, liver transplantation is the only choice of treatment, which I have already told to this guardian of this baby. Liver transplantation has recently become more widely available and is practically used for the patients with chronic active hepatitis and cirrhosis of the liver. Patients with autoimmune disease are most likely to benefit from transplantation, although it is not yet clear if the condition returns in the new liver. New liver transplant করলেই যে রোগী ভালো হবে, সুস্থ থাকবে, তা কিন্তু গ্যারান্টি দেওয়া যাচ্ছে না, সব ক্ষেত্রে সফলতা আসছে না। So, however, the patient who is dissatisfied from the opinion, as their budget not permits, as their lack of pecuniary capacity, they took interest in homeopathic practice, and by homeopathic treatment the child is well enough. The last medicine is Sina 30 followed by Sina 200 2 dose today. Tongue is clean, the child is obstinate, etc. জিভ দেখাও, tongue is totally clean. বড় করে জিভ বের করো বাঘের মতন. Tongue is clean. Irritable temperament. Have you an irritable temperament? Yes? Yes. So, let's prescribe today Sina 200 2 dose, and let's see the result. The child is gradually improving. The child is gradually improving. So let's see the result, my friends. I shall share you the next result.